Hey, it's Holly. Welcome to Living It Country. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you guys around our property, sharing with you guys the tiny home, the party barn, and I might even take you guys into my husband's shop and share with you guys the projects going on in there. But it's just little projects here and there left in this tiny home. We really want to get those done, so there's one thing to check off the list of things to accomplish, and then we are one step closer to my mom moving in January 1st, which is very, very exciting. And so today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys the all-in-one washer and dryer that just showed up. It's actually right behind the camera. So I'm super excited to test that out and try that out. And we got that over Black Friday. And then I'm going to be taking you guys into the party barn, sharing with you guys the finds that have showed up for that, and kind of our vision for that space, because it's been a while and that has been a storage unit for the past 2 years. So I'm so excited to get going on that project. It's gonna be a lot of fun. And a big thank you today to Lowe's for partnering with us on a portion of today's video. Without further ado, let's get started. A big thank you to Lowe's for sponsoring this portion of today's video. I have my box full of goodies right here that arrived a few days ago, and I can't wait to share with you guys what's inside. You can shop all of your home needs using Lowe's new finds in my description box down below. Lowe's has a free store pickup with the mobile app or desktop, and you can also get free shipping over $45, which is what I did. You can also get same-day delivery, and they have low price guarantee. I stocked up on some things that we needed for some home projects, so I think it'll be fun to share with you guys, since that's what we're doing today, is some home projects. If you see me in town, sometimes I might be wearing my kids' hats, so I decided to get one that was under $5, lots of different color options, and it's perfect because it's thick and it covers my ears for all these outdoor projects that we have going on right now. So I got mine in black because it goes with everything. I actually have ready to go the Govee lights that are permanent lights for the outside of the party barn. So spoiler alert for a video to come. And I'm excited to get that installed once the upper trim piece is finished painting, because we did not have a ladder tall enough for that. So we still gotta finish that. But I got for my boys' room curtain lights, and it is really cool because it has a light up show. I thought that this would be so fun for him because he is very much into like LED lights, anything lights for his room. So it'll be a fun little show for him in his room, and these are called the Govee curtain lights. So really fun find. I picked up a few of these window and door sealants in the bright white. This is the same brand that we've used in all of our projects, the tiny home, our home. And so I thought it'd be perfect to have these ready to go and in stock for when my husband's feeling inspired. He moves at a very rapid pace, and so if I can avoid having to go to the store when he's feeling inspired, I've learned that's the way to go. My husband just did this beautiful tile job back here, and I recently just learned about this, and my husband was like, get it? This looks like an incredible project to try out. So we actually have another tile job happening soon in the party barn. We're doing a little mini, not a kitchen, but like a little mini bar area where we'll have a little mini fridge, a little countertop. So it'll be fun for the party barn. And we are gonna use our leftover tile right here. And so this is a double-sided adhesive tile mat. So it's a peel and stick. How cool is that? So instead of having to use any mortar, we can use this. I'm so excited. So you don't have to wait to grout, it says. I don't know, I'm really excited to try this. So really great find. Then I picked up these 2 packs of solar rail lights in the white finish. They did have black, but ours is white, our railing, so I thought that this would look really, really neat, and they're very tiny. Anytime I can add lighting to our home, I go for it because, I don't know, lighting is such a key element in design, and I love the fact that these are solar. Perfect. Our washer and dryer is here, and if you guys have been watching our tiny home series, we've gone back and forth just a little bit on what kind of washer and dryer we wanted. We thought maybe a stackable would be a good option, but the reviews on this all-in-one were really, really great, and my husband was able to talk with the people there, and this is the one we ended up going with. So this is the Samsung Bespoke in the black edition. And then we ended up getting a great deal to elevate this off of the ground a little bit. And we're very, very excited to try this out. This is one that fit the tiny home closet space really, really well. And then we're gonna be able to put some shelving units above the washer and dryer for extra storage, since we kind of lost out on that storage in the utility closet where the water heater is. So we're very, very excited. So today, Jason's going to be installing all of the things so that we can eventually get this in there. But for now, this is gonna be hanging out just right here. I'm gonna take you guys to the kitchen and share with you guys what's going on in there as well. The latest project we've also been working on, which we need to finish, is this vent hood above here. So we're either going to drywall it or we're gonna match the ceilings with the same shiplap. I'm kind of thinking maybe drywall might be great so that it blends in, but also shiplap, we already have that, those extra pieces, and so that might be just a really easy project so we can get it done and get my mom in. So next I'm gonna take you guys to the party barn because a few things have changed and lots is gonna be happening there very soon now that the tiny home's almost accomplished. So let's go on over to the party barn. The insulation just got installed a few weeks ago in the party barn. And so we are gonna be working on the walls here very soon. We're gonna be using a mixture of leftover materials from the tiny home, like the shiplap, and I think we're going to incorporate our leftover brick, and then also maybe beadboard as a really affordable option. And then this back wall right here, I'm gonna show you guys some designs that kind of are our inspiration, but this whole wall is going to be a built-in. So we're gonna have cabinets below, and then we're gonna have cubbies above. So it's gonna be a great spot to decorate, and we're very, very excited. And then I shared with you guys earlier that tile project. We're not sure which side. We're thinking either this side or this side. We're gonna have a little mini bar area with a mini fridge, some countertop space. It'll be great for little get-togethers that we have, and we're very excited about that. And another project we have going on, there's just so many fun things happening at this moment, is in our shop. So I'll take you guys over there. Jason's been working really hard over there, and it's looking really awesome. We're very excited about it. We are in Jason's shop, and this afternoon he just finished up doing the walls for a little mini bathroom. So this will be perfect for when we have people over, contractors over, and little get-togethers. This will be a space they can just walk right through. So we'll have a toilet right here, and then we're gonna do actually a really large utility sink. That way, if Jason needs to wash anything, paintbrushes, things like that in his shop, he can do so, but it's kind of like multifunctional. So for the restroom, but also for his workspace. And then we're gonna have lots of wall space for storage and things like that. And so this is our next project that's been going on, and hopefully this will be finished here super soon, and we're very excited about it. Outside of our home, we've had a gazebo that's actually a hot tub gazebo for maybe 3-ish years now, and we're gonna be moving that back here to where this hot tub is. We got this for free from a family member because it needs some repairs, and so we're gonna repair it and have a little nice hot tub. It's gonna be great for our family and my husband's back. And so this will be our little mini hot tub area. So I'm excited to get that done. We just got the electrical done. We needed to get that outside of the party barn to be able to use it. And so all the party barn electrical is done, ready to go, and we're excited to get that started. I also got the lights in for the exterior of all these spaces, minus the tiny home, and they're absolutely gorgeous, so I want to share that with you guys. We got these huge black matte gooseneck lights, so we'll be replacing the exterior of the garage, so as well as our home, to match these to the party barn. and they're absolutely gorgeous. I just need to order the plates for the back because I forgot to do that, and then we will get these all installed, and you guys will see this fairly soon. Now that you've seen what's been accomplished and what we've been up to, I'm taking you guys inside the tiny home because we have a few hours left of daylight before the sun goes down. And surprisingly enough, that seems to be the busiest time of day for us with all of the activities, all the things. And so I'm just putting on these little stickable cushions on the bottom of the counter stools to keep the floors alive and looking good as long as possible. And then Jason outside is working away at the vent. Now I'm in here talking to him through the vents. He's actually underneath the house, and so here you'll see us going back and forth talking to each other either through the wall on the other side outside like you guys saw earlier, or he's down below in the crawl space and I'm talking to him through the little hole in the laundry room space. We chose to have the crawl space underneath the bed area in the master bedroom, and I'm kind of wondering if that was the best spot for it or not. We shall see over time, and I'll let you know how it goes and see if that was a good decision or not. Now here's Jason installing the vent, and it turned out perfect. It's white, it blends in with that trim, and it was a pretty simple project, he said for himself. So happy camper with that. While Jason's in the crawl space, he's pushing up the pipes, and that way they can interlock in this, and then I'm just screwing everything back in. Now we needed to get this all leveled before we got it on the moving wheels to get this right in place, and we were really hoping that it was going to be smooth sailing to get into this small laundry room space. We were a tad bit worried that it might hit the counter area or trim pieces, and luckily it was smooth sailing and everything went just according to plan, which was absolutely great. We are so excited because this washer and dryer combo is officially in, and like I said earlier, I was pleasantly surprised with it not only being in, but it completely set up. My little guy helped his daddy get it all installed, and so he was so excited that he was able to help. And Jason actually had to climb over this entire thing because obviously it is a closet laundry room, so there was no other way out. So he was a trooper, he did awesome, and we were thankful also to have Brody there, who was such a great little helper too. I would love to know in the comment section down below if you guys would be interested in hearing more about the washer and dryer, and maybe even a little review, maybe inside another tiny home video. I have a few video ideas planned, and I would love to hear if any of these interest you guys or if there's more you want to see. But we're gonna do a full kitchen video from start to finish. We're gonna do a DIY closet video so you guys can see how Jason builds the built-in closet. And then we're gonna do a tiny home tour of all of my mom's belongings moved inside. I thought that would be a really fun video to share. But I would love to hear your guys' feedback. Thank you all so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys were left inspired, maybe have a new idea that you want to try in your home. And I will link Lowe's down in the description box below if you guys want to check out any of these finds that I shared today. You guys can get free shipping over $45 or even do free store pickup. So I'll link that down below. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys in our next video. Bye, friends.